guys, I'm Kira. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I would like to try to jahit dua baju tie-dye and cantumkan. Tada! Okay, ada lama tak jahit. So that's why I want to do this project and try to sharpen my skill back. Let's try. Alright, this is the two t-shirts that I tie-dyed myself, and then here's my cute little sewing machine. Okay, let's set up this space and I'll explain macam mana nak buat. So I'm just gonna fold it in half and then gunting. Gunting. Let's do this. Okay, I done potong this shirt. So now I'm gonna do the same with this one. Jom cut this t-shirt up. Ta-da! Okay, so now we have 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in the first t-shirt tadi, I take this side, apa ni kiri, and then cantumkan dengan belah kanan yang the blue one. And then sebelum we jahit, we have to terbalikkan first. Like this one, terbalikkan. So basically looks like this. Ni ada terbalikkan. So now we can start here. I tak ada pin lah. You guys can pin it here. And then we can jahit.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday.
Oh, by the way, I did this mask yesterday, tapi not that clean now because you can see here. I actually need to sew it like this, but so cute. So I dah jahit. See? And then I need to wait, I'm confused. Oh, okay. Then I need to jahit the other side of the shirt. Let me show you guys. Oh, what? Okay. Depan je dah betul. But the back, I was supposedly to jahit terbalik. I'm gonna cut balik all the jahitan and sew it back.
I found this. You must try this kat kedai. I'm at my shop now actually. This pandemic, I have a lot of spare time. Okay, so I'm gonna open back this jahitan.
I did a mistake of not paying attention. Lah, tak sabar sangat. Okay, so make sure dia inside out. So this is the front, yang luar. Make sure dia inside. And then Yes. One down, one more to go. Baby, look. Do you like it?
It's a bubble simple.
Yeah. Done. Ta-da! So cute. So, if you guys bored at home, boleh try this. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!